I like to test the upcoming parts that I'll be using in my double mini ITX builds. This is just a box test. I have the AM4 mini ITX motherboard I'll be testing that I bought off eBay for $150. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's expensive, but mini ITX motherboards are expensive, and I don't want to spend $250 on a motherboard for a flipper build. Now, if this was a personal build, I would go all out and spend like 400 bucks on a nice motherboard, but anyway. I will be using this 3300X that I exclusively use to test while I'm waiting for the Ryzen 5500 chip to arrive. I'm also using the DDR4 RAM that I unboxed the other day, and we'll be testing the 3060 graphics card as well as the 1050 Ti that I bought off eBay. So this should fit in a 5 to 6 liter mini ITX case. I'm running on hardly any sleep, guys, so I messed up here by not plugging in the GPU power, lol. But the good thing is everything booted and XMP works too. I did note down the BIOS version of 2203 and referred to the Asus motherboard website. And it looks like the BIOS version is actually super old, so I'll need to upgrade this before putting in the Ryzen 5500. I like to use the Ryzen 3300X as a test chip because I know the 3000 series works on older motherboards. Now what happens is you want to avoid the situation of using a newer chip on an older BIOS version, because what you would like to do is upgrade the BIOS, then install the Ryzen 5500. That way you avoid not getting any boot if the BIOS is old and it won't support the 5000 series. It's just a step I like to take, and it saves me a lot of heartache. And once I see the parts are all working, I do go ahead and place positive feedback on eBay sellers, because you got to share the love, you know. So guys, I'll just leave you with the rest of the video. Ciao.